Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Nurture Natural Way of Living. Today I will be preparing a liquid that we can use for cleaning our furniture, specifically our kitchen cabinets which gets very greasy and dirty, and also the doors which gets very dirty. I'll show you the sample as well. So it will be totally a natural liquid. So let's begin. So what I'm taking is my favorite Rithas or soap nuts, which is a substitute of detergent. So these are 5 soap nuts, and I have taken 1 glass of warm water. So I have placed the soap nuts in water and I can shake it a bit. So I let it sit for 10 minutes so that all its qualities come into the water. So my daughter is also with me and she is very excited to help me. She'll also do this shaking of Ritha or soap nuts. It's a bit warm, so she has given up. So I'll let the soap nuts sit here in the water and let the liquid get prepared. So now you can see a lot of foam has come up on top of the soap nuts. That's why these are my favorite natural detergent. So I have shaked it pretty well and I've done it for 2 minutes, and I think almost all the extract of soap nuts have come into water. So next step is to add vinegar. Show me the vinegar bottle. So this is the vinegar that I would be using and my daughter would be helping me. We'll fill half glass with this vinegar. Put more. Yeah, that's it. And we'll mix that into this liquid. So these are the only 2 ingredients which are required to prepare our detergent for cleaning the kitchen cabinets and the door. So I'll just shake it well again. So vinegar is quite a strong anti-greasing agent, and it's remove the stains. And also in all other videos which you see on YouTube, they will add surf or kitchen cleaner or this Vim liquid instead of Ritha. So since I am a nature freak and I want to get rid of chemicals, so soap nuts is the alternate of that, and it works as similar to the other chemicals. So I just properly mix it well and it is ready. I'll fill that into the bottle and I'll show you how we can use it for cleaning purpose. So I have filled the bottle with the liquid and I have shaken it pretty well so that it mixes properly. My daughter is now very excited. She is pushing me to clean using this liquid. So let's begin.
Yes, I'm very excited to cleaning.
So this is my kitchen cabinet. We don't have chimney, so it gets very greasy. I'll go to the top of the cabinet, which is usually very dirty. I'll show you that. Okay, so you can see it's so oily. Okay, so let's try our solution on that. So we'll just spray that. And I apply this normal utensil cleaner. We have to apply with a gentle hand, and you can see all the oil coming out. Don't apply hard hand, otherwise there can be scratches. So see, it has got clean so easily. Now this has become very dirty. I need to wash that. So this way I'll clean the remaining portion of the top with this solution only. So you can see it can get rid of that much of oily area as well. and usually front part of cabinet doesn't get that dirty, so that's much easier to do. So I'll clean that. So if it's very oily, just try to do it 2 times and you can clean it easily. So we don't need to use any harsh chemicals for doing this thing. And after doing this, you can just clean it with a normal wet cloth and then apply a dry cloth. Now I apply a little wet cloth to get rid of remaining dirt. So this way it's so simple to do. So this was, you couldn't see the white color before. Now it's so clean and shining as well. So isn't it a magic? Do we need any harsh chemicals for doing that? And it keeps it smooth as well. It doesn't cause any scratches. So this is the final look. Similar way you can clean the remaining part. And now I'll show you how to clean the doors with this liquid. Now you can see these are very bad stains. This doesn't get cleaned with normal water and wet cloth. So my daughter will spray the liquid on this. And now you will see the results. See how easily it's getting cleaned. This is also kitchen door, so it gets very oily. And it's getting cleaned so easily. I've never seen it so white. Okay. It's totally getting cleaned. All the liquid has gone till end. It's not totally clean. I'll just clean it with a wet cloth now. After cleaning it with a wet cloth, also apply some dry cloth so that there is no liquid left on the door. This is a very important step. Liquid on this. We will use some wet cloth. You can see it's now totally clean. You can see this area, how dirty it was and how clean it is now. Same way you can apply wherever you see the dust. It was quite oily. You can see this area is quite oily. Let's try the liquid on this. You can see it is now clean. So this is totally clean now. Thanks for watching my video. Till the time now I made the liquid, I'll get all this cleaned up. It will take a lot of time to me. So you can please like my video, subscribe and share. Please don't use chemicals and make use of natural. Get a lot of soap nuts and I'll use all of the recipes with that. Thanks for watching.